A very good day to all of you. CIT NCRT conducts online training to promote use of technology in teaching and learning process. One of the upcoming activity is online training on ICT for teaching and learning of languages from 13th January to 17th January 2025. This is main dashboard for the training on ICT for teaching and learning of languages. This training is conducted by CIT NCRT Ministry of Education. Students, teachers, teacher educators, parents, administrators and all those who are interested can participate in this training. The main objectives of this training are: examine the transformative role of ICT in enhancing language pedagogy, analyze the potential scope and application of ICT tools within instructional practices, cultivate proficiency in the integration of audio and video resources into language teaching methodologies, explore the utilization of advanced digital tools for effective language instruction, evaluate the pedagogical implications of virtual laboratories in elucidating complex linguistic constructs, address critical concerns related to the deployment of digital technologies in language education. Now we will see how we can participate in this training. Step 1. Registration. Participants need to register using the given link, or they can also scan the given QR code. This link is also given in the description box of this video. Step 2. Watch live training sessions and learn about the topic. Participants need to attend the training sessions, which will be live streamed on NCRT official YouTube channel from 13th to 17th January 2025 from 4 to 5 p.m. If anyone has missed the live sessions, they can also watch the recording using the playlist link. It will be updated in the description box of this video as well. Step 3. Take up the online course, participate in post-assessment and get certified. If you are interested to earn a certificate of 5 hours training for continuous professional development, you have to join the online course that will be launched on Diksha portal. Course link will be updated on this page on the last day of the training by 7 p.m. It will be updated in the description box of this video as well. Participants need to join the course, go through all the 5 videos and take up the final assessment. Please note that participants can attempt thrice the assessment. Participants who score 70% and above in the final assessment will get a certificate. Step 4. Submit your feedback. Participants can submit their feedback using the given link, or they can also scan the given QR code. This feedback form is intended to know your experiences, learning and suggestions regarding this online training. It is requested to all to kindly participate in this training. This training is conducted by CIT NCRT Ministry of Education. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.